Hello folks, welcome to Campkins.com. This is the online video walkthrough of the 2019 Avenger 28 REI. I just want you to have a look at this beautiful coach here from the front. You can see it's got an awning on the slide out as well as an awning over the door. So you got two awnings there, both electric with LED lights. So lots of outdoor space available. Look at all the windows on this trailer. Got windows everywhere. On the back as well. So this is a great trailer whether you want to pull it or you want to park it. Great space on the outside. You can see you've got the stable steps as you enter into the trailer, and let's take a look and see what we have inside. So we got two slide outs. In the first we have the kitchen area. So we've got our fridge. We've got a glass top stove with an illuminated backsplash behind it. We've got counter space there. Great spot to keep that coffee maker and toaster right there. Then we've got cabinet doors, a nice big drawer for pots and pans. And then you have the island here, which does give you a nice large farmhouse sink, as well as 3 drawers and storage in the island area. So this is a large kitchen, easily lots of room for cooking. Then you've got this middle pantry here, which has lots and lots of cabinets. And then a beautiful fireplace, which will give you heat as well if you do need that, and a 50-inch television with a beautiful backdrop behind it. Just a really nice look. And then check this rear dinette out. So you've got large windows all that open all around this couch, which has the illuminated cup holders, plugs on both sides. Just a comfortable place to sit out and look at that lake. And if you have a good view on the front side of your trailer, you've got these recliner chairs here with cup holders, place to put the remote, and then you've got these beautiful big windows all around that, and of course around the dinette as well. So just a really great floor plan. We're going to take a look at the washroom area here. So here in the washroom, we've got your vanity and your sink. You've got a glass surround corner neo-angle shower. Then another little vanity here as well in the washroom for a little bit more storage. You've got a nice ensuite entrance and lots of room around the toilet area. Then we head into the bedroom here. Hello everybody. You can see we've got nice cabinet storage all around the bed. Lots of room, plugs on both sides of the beds. Windows as well on both sides of the bed. And a spot for a TV up there against the wall. So there's really lots of space on the bedroom, and it is a pocket door entrance. So folks, this is a great trailer, whether it's putting it in a park or pulling it. You got lots of living space in this trailer, and these trailers are on for a great price. Like when you look at the price, you'll be amazed. So we got 2 left, and we're trying to get some deals here for the end of the year. So this is the 2019 Avenger 28 REI, available now at Campkins. We say it's worth the hurdle to Myrtle, which is just north of Whitby on Highway 12. So come on out and help us help you make your RV dreams come true.